Hi, welcome back to another episode of Easy English. I'm Rebecca and we're in Toronto where we're asking people what they think about home and homesickness. Ready? Let's go. Have you ever lived in another country?
No.
No, I haven't.
I'm living in another country right now.
Where did you live before?
El Salvador?
I lived in Hong Kong before and the US.
I came from the United States, but that's it.
I have, yeah. I've lived in the Philippines since I was born there until I was 8 and then I moved here.
I was born in Taiwan and I was raised there until I was 11 and I came here.
I've never lived abroad. I've traveled abroad, but I've never lived abroad.
If you could live in another country, where would you like to live?
I'm actually thinking about moving to France, so I've been learning French on Duolingo. Yeah.
Sweden.
Why Sweden?
Healthcare.
Maybe in the UK because I have a lot of family there, or dream, a reach, New York. But I think a lot of people would say that too. But yeah, the UK, I think.
If you were to move to France, what do you think would be the hardest things to get used to living there?
I think culture, I guess. There's a lot of things that people are just used to being around that you don't really remember that you have to learn. So that, and then also language.
Honestly, I don't know. Sweden's perfect.
Have you noticed any differences living here in Toronto?
Not really, honestly. It's pretty much the same to me.
I haven't enjoyed the weather. The weather sucks, but I think I enjoy the people. Yeah, everyone's just really nice.
Have you ever felt homesickness?
Yeah, definitely.
So when I first moved to this university, I was very homesick. I'm from a kind of rural town, so I missed fields and trees, even though there are a lot of trees, just not enough. Yeah.
I would say the first couple years when I moved here, I was definitely homesick. I missed my family, my friends, but I stopped communicating along the way. So I'm not as, yeah, I know, I do. I feel bad, but I guess homesick is just not my priority.
Didn't really get that because my whole family moved here with me, and then my grandma also visited us, so I didn't really get that much. Yeah, sorry.
What is something that you would miss about here if you moved abroad?
I don't know. I guess a sense of community. Wherever you go, everyone's just really, I don't know. I wouldn't say that we're perfect, but we're very accepting, and so I think that, I don't know, and my friends, I'd miss them. Yeah. The food I wouldn't miss because the food's not anything special here, but yeah.
What do you do when you feel homesick?
I try to listen to music from El Salvador, not from El Salvador specifically, but music in Spanish at least. Call my friends, stuff like that. Yeah.
I like to talk to my family, so I would call him when he was abroad, or my mom or something. Yeah.
I just forced myself to get out more and to know more about the city, because then it kind of starts feeling like you're home.
What does home mean to you?
I guess it means wherever my community is. Now, I just moved to Canada, but she's been here longer. But it feels a lot like home because she's here. So yeah, wherever my family and my friends are.
I definitely feel more at home where my family's there as opposed to a specific place. So yeah, Toronto's home now that he's here. Yeah.
What does home mean to you?
Home? I don't know. People. The people that you love and care about and who love and care about you. As long as you're with them, you can be home anywhere.
I think a lot of things, home is kind of where you are, but it's also a feeling. Sometimes you can live somewhere and not feel like home until you decorate it. And then sometimes home is just people.
Me, as long as my family and the people I recognize and consider a family, I'm here with my family too. So yeah.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and hearing people's stories, what home means to them, and their advice for overcoming homesickness. Let us know in the comments what home means to you and if you have any tips for living abroad. Thanks and see you next time.